Hi, this is Deborah Arco-Novotny, and today you're not going to be seeing my face at all because we're talking about feet. You're going to be looking at my foot, and I'm going to be talking about plantar fasciitis, foot pain, and we'll touch a little bit on muscle pain and restless leg. When patients come to my office for acupuncture for plantar fasciitis, one of the best things I also can do for them is a tool that has been very helpful in shortening the length of time that they suffer from things like plantar fasciitis or other foot discomfort. So the Pure Wave is what I'm talking about, and this is what the name looks like. And I recommend it to all my patients and to anyone who has foot pain, whether you come see me or not. So let me show you how it's used. This is the trigger point or acupressure part of it, and they screw on, so that helps you understand how it works. And it makes this sound, and you can just go right all over any area that's bothering you. Now, this is really the right attachment for things like heel pain, plantar fasciitis, or in a very specific area. So it's a great part of this tool, and this is what I use on myself to cure my plantar fasciitis. I've recently had it. I overshopped at Christmas. I spent a full day, and guess what? I gave myself some foot pain that resulted in plantar fasciitis. So this is just awesome. It feels so good, and I've gotten over plantar fasciitis in probably half the time or even less. Right now I'm unscrewing the attachment, and I'm going to put on another attachment that I think you'll be interested in. This one I also use on my foot. It looks like this, and this is great on muscles. It's a very deep type of massage, so it's not for every part of your body, but I actually have used it on the bottom of my foot, and it feels amazing. The other place I use it is in here, where I get restless leg, and it's been amazing. I've used it on tight hips, etc. So this particular Pure Wave that I'm recommending you get comes with more than just these two attachments. I'm only going to show you my three favorite, the ones I use on patients the most. And the last one is this little rubber, and this is more gentle than the last one. So this could be used on the foot, on the calf, just about anywhere. This is great for shoulder discomfort, but that's not the purpose of this video. This is about foot pain, about the Pure Wave, and about plantar fasciitis. So this is my demo and my review that gets 5 stars from a healthcare professional who's used it successfully on her very own plantar fasciitis and that of many of her patients. Good luck, and I hope that you tune in again. Thank you for tuning in this time. Oh, by the way, give me a like, make some comments. Let's share this video if you'd like to. Thank you again.